All the cows are fucking.
Forgot that was a thing.
Yeah, I did too.
Holy shit, those are cow babies. So many cow babies. Can't wait to get a fucking flame sword so I can just murder everything.
Okay.
Can't wait to get a flame sword so I can murder all these babies.
Yeah, fuck them kids, bro.
Alright, I won't be able to get another hit in, but we'll use this. Alright, next level. Come on. Get the lunar coin. And then that. Just zoom up here, it's faster. And then get one more zoom in. Start the telly. And start it. Two, one, shift, right click.
Where the fuck is this zombie?
Alright. Nice. Alright. Did it in 3 minutes, basically. 3 point.
Yeah.
Okay.